So I've just plugged in the temperature probe, but I want to show you the AM button that I'm pushing does not work. So if you hit the set button, it toggles between automatic, that's at 100%, and not. So if I hit now AM light is not on, I don't see that, it says out, and I'm pushing the AM button and nothing is going on. If I go to the automatic mode, nothing is going on. Arrows up, arrows down, nothing. If I hold it down, nothing changes. If I do that, I can change the settings. Now I know I can change the decimal places that way. So obviously the button works, but there's something in the setting that the AM mode I can't change at all. Nothing. So that's where my confusion is.